Good morning, all of you. Hydroxy compounds called alcohols. In this, we are going to discuss reaction of glycerol, and in this video, we are going to discuss only two reactions. One is nitration, another one is dehydration of glycerol. Glycerol, also called glycerin. What is nitration? Addition of NO2 plus is called nitration. To add NO2 plus this electrophile, we require a nitrating mixture. One word question, nitrating mixture. What is nitrating mixture? It is a mixture of concentrated nitric acid HNO3 and concentrated sulfuric acid is called nitrating mixture. We know corn sulfuric acid is commonly used as dehydrating agent. Dehydrating agent. The NO2 group is present in this nitric acid. So, when we separate NO2 from nitric acid, we will get H and O. Now, glycerol undergo nitration gives an explosive compound. Glycerol containing two primary alcoholic group and one secondary alcoholic group. Glycerol CH2OH, CHOH and CH2OH. Glycerol, when treated with concentrated nitric acid, HONO2, HONO2, HONO2 in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. It is a dehydrating agent. One H plus from glycerol and OH minus from nitric acid removed as H2O. Like that here, one H plus and OH minus removed as H2O. H plus OH minus removed as H2O. NO2 plus, the electrophile NO2 plus, now added to this O minus, gives the product after loss of 3 molecules of water. We will get the product CH2 ONO2. Here you have CH ONO2 and also CH2 ONO2. What is the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3. In this 3 carbon, nitroxy group is present. 3 carbon propane, carbon single bond ane propane. In the first, second and third carbon, trinitroxy propane. 1, 2, 3, trinitroxy propane. Also called glycerol trinitrate, simply denoted as GTN, or one more name, trinitroglycerin. Trinitroglycerin or glycerol, TNG, used as a powerful explosive compound. The IUPAC name of glycerol 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon propane, carbon single bond ane, OH all, 3 OH triol, and the position of OH are 1, 2, 3 triol. This is nitration of glycerol gives 1, 2, 3 trinitroxypropane. Now we are going to discuss about dehydration of glycerol. Dehydrating agent used in the dehydration of glycerol are concentrated sulfuric acid, a common dehydrating agent, potassium bisulfate, or phosphorus pentoxide used as a dehydrating agent. Glycerol, you know the molecular formula. CH2OH, CHOH, then CH2OH. Glycerol undergo dehydration in presence of potassium bisulfate on heating. As like the glycol dehydration in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, one H is removed as H plus, another OH is removed as OH minus, this H is removed as H plus, and this OH is removed as OH minus. Because of OH is removed as minus, charge on carbon is plus, charge on carbon is plus. This bond is shifted between two carbon atoms. This bond minus is shifted towards the plus. Loss of two water molecule takes place and gives an intermediate product. What is that intermediate product? H, C. Here you have one OH. Double bond is formed here. Only one carbon we have. Again double bond is formed. C bond hydrogen, bond hydrogen. An intermediate compound is formed here. That intermediate compound undergo tautomerization. This intermediate compound undergo tautomerization. Tautomerization means movement of one H plus from one atom to another atom. That means like glycol, oxygen hydrogen bond is shifted between carbon and oxygen due to repulsive force. One more bond shifting takes place. To that bond this H plus is added. So the product is very most important product. Now I write the product here. H bond C. When this bond is shifted between carbon and oxygen, this becomes aldehydic functional group. Here you have one single bond. This bond shifted to that bond, H is added, H plus. Here you have double bond CH2, double bond CH2. Correct? Now write the molecular formula from here. CH2, double bond CH. There you have CHO. Two common names. I am also going to write one IUPAC name. Acrolein, acrolein, one common name. Acrylic aldehyde, acrylic aldehyde, another one common name. 3 carbon propane, carbon carbon double bond in aldehyde ale. When we give numbering, aldehydic carbon 1, 2, 3. Double bond present in the second carbon atom. Therefore, propane 2 in ale, acrolein. So, in this video, we discussed the nitration and dehydration of glycerol. In the next video, oxidation of glycerol we are going to discuss. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.